Have you ever stared at your screen, heart racing, hands shaking, wondering if you're about to make your biggest mistake or your greatest breakthrough? Because that's what trading is. It's not just numbers and charts. It's war, a silent battle between who you are and who you want to become. No one sees the nights you don't sleep, the weekends you spend watching price action while everyone else is partying, the money lost, the doubt creeping in, the voice in your head whispering, maybe you're not cut out for this, but you keep showing up. Why? Because something inside you refuses to quit. You've been burned.
By fake mentors.
By over-leveraged trades. By your own fear, but still. You're here. Still learning, still fighting. Most people don't understand. They see you in front of charts and think it's just a hobby. But this isn't a hobby. This is your dream. This is your escape plan. You're not chasing quick money. You're chasing freedom. But freedom doesn't come cheap. It demands patience. It demands discipline. It demands that you grow into the kind of person who doesn't just take profits, but deserves them.
The truth is, every loss you've taken was a lesson. Every missed entry, a reminder. Every emotional decision, a mirror. And when you learn to control that emotion, when you stop trading to win and start trading to execute, that's when everything changes. Because this game doesn't reward the smartest. It rewards the most self-controlled. It's not about finding the perfect strategy. It's about finding the strength to stick to your plan when everything inside you wants to bail. You'll see red days. You'll question everything. But if you can stay focused, if you can survive the emotional storms, then one day you'll look back at this version of you, the broke, tired, stressed version, and say, thank you for not quitting. Trading will test your patience, your ego, your identity. But through that test, you will rise, sharper, wiser, stronger. So next time you feel the pressure, next time you doubt yourself, just remember this. You were never in this to trade. You were in this to transform. This is not the end, it's the beginning. The charts, the losses, the wins, they're just chapters in a much bigger story, your story. Every setback has carved resilience into your soul. Every sleepless night has built a foundation stronger than any market trend. You are not defined by your failures, but by the courage it takes to stand back up again and again. The world may only see the outcome, but you know the battles fought in silence. The moments of doubt, the quiet victories, the breakthroughs no one witnessed but you. So when fear whispers that you're not enough, when the path ahead seems too steep, remember transformation is not a destination. It's a daily act of boldness. It's waking up, showing up, and daring to believe in the person you're becoming. Embrace your journey. Let every scar be a badge of honor. Let every lesson fuel your next step. Because the true reward isn't in the profit or the perfect trade, it's in the relentless pursuit of your best self. Keep going, the journey continues, and you're unstoppable.